Hi, this is day 15 since having surgery at Nordesthetics in Lithuania. Arm lift, armpit lift and breast lift, and I don't normally look this glam. It's just I have got some deadlines of some work I've got to do by the end of the week. I am really not feeling up for it. I don't know how my armpits are doing. I don't know how my little hole is doing there either. I sent an email to Nords yesterday afternoon, sent a load of photos as well, and my rep came back to me about an hour or so ago saying that she will pass my email over to my surgeon and he'll get back to me straight away just to let me know whether I should continue taking antibiotics, because I finished now. The last one was this morning. Whether this little opening is something to be worried about, whether that needs honey or iodine on top of it when I pack it every day. Day 15 and I'm definitely not ready to go back to normal yet. But I don't know how much of that is psychological. I don't know. You can see the redness there. Oh, wow, it looks like I've got sunburn, doesn't it? But look how pink that is. It's not red anymore, it's pink. It's still a little bit dry. I'm just a bit paranoid, so I'm going to clean it, put a little bit of honey on there, and then yeah, I'm just going to use normal tapes. I put the pad on and put tape over the top. It's definitely the tape that makes it feel more restrictive, but I'm happy that it seems to be more sealed than what it was yesterday anyway. Doing okay, but still red, isn't it? Both armpits done, a bit of a mess today. Hopefully it'll be all right. And I've just checked under here as well, and it looks better. Still a little bit of a hole, but it's not a nasty hole, it's only tiny. Unless my surgeon says otherwise, I'm not going to touch it now for a couple of days, because the less I touch it, the better, in my opinion. I'm feeling a pulling in my boob here by stretching this arm. Oh. So it's just little movements, little movements. There, that'll do. Oh, by the way, this is 3 days since I've been on bromelain supplement. I started taking them because I can't have lymphatic drainage massages yet because of the infections under my armpits, and I do think they are helping with swelling. It's not as painful in the evening when it was really uncomfortable. I'm noticing the swelling isn't as bad, so I just thought I'd mention it. I've just driven for the first time and my arms aren't too bad. I think it helps the fact that I'm quite tall, so I'm not stretching a lot, but it's my boobs. Every little movement in the road, I can feel twinges in my boobs. I absolutely hate it. My anxiety is through the roof. I'd love to know what you were like 2 weeks post-surgery. I've had enough. I'm in pain. I just feel like my incisions are on fire. I'm going to take this makeup off and I'm going to climb into my sofa bed downstairs. And that's it.